So the Asian Games for me were a very good page in my book of life.
Excellent organization. Thank you, China. 谢谢.
What I say, it's amazing.
The 19th Asian Games closed on Sunday in Hangzhou, East China's Zhejiang province. Foreign media workers told Xinhua about what has impressed them the most.
I think these Asian Games, the best organization till now, is very good. Electronic and hybrid cars, bots.
I feel, going green, especially technology-friendly event. I go everywhere, followed by the technology, especially security and other things. That's good for the event and good for the all over the world.
Hangzhou can win Green Award something because for this initiative.
I really enjoyed it being here, and I'm enjoy to working with Chinese people. It's really good. Your country is really friendly, always helping us.
I had a flight of 53 hours to come here. The media center is amazing. The city is amazing. The people helped me everywhere. There was a lot of enthusiasm in the people.
This is spectacular. China has made the history, actually. I've seen first time that people are so happy to see their athletes, not even their country's athletes, even from the outside, overseas. They are very happy to see them, and they are so humble, and they greet every time. Salute to them. Amazing.